How to create pages on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines and then go to the pages, and you can see the create. Click on the create pages, and you have to select your page name. Like I select Hare Ram Singh, and here you have to choose your name of the page, and after that you have to choose your categories of the page and click on next, and you have to enter your website. If you have website, enter your website and click next, and after that you have to add your profile picture, and like I add this profile picture and save. And here you can see in the upper side of page add cover photo. You can also add a cover photo of this page. Like also I also add this page for my cover picture, and after cropping the image that you want in the cover photo, click done, and your page is created. And you have to connect the WhatsApp to Facebook. So if you want to connect WhatsApp to Facebook, then you have to search, you have to type your phone number and then click continue, but I don't want that. And after you have to you have to confirm this, you have to next you have to fill these steps, and so that's and after that your page is created. You have to follow these steps, and you can also post on this page, and also invite your friends. Here you can see, and so that's basically it, that how you can create page on Facebook in 2021. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.